What is up, guys? So today is spring cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this entire car out. Inside is a little messy. You got dirt and grime everywhere. There's dust collecting all on top. Kind of gross. Same thing with the outside of the car. I brought it out one day when they were cutting the grass and just shoo everywhere. So she's gonna get a bath on the outside, some vacuuming on the inside, and a little polish going. So before we start, I got a lot more interior panels that need to go back in, starting with that stuff and a lot of the trunk and the back seat. Let's do this stuff first. Let's do the interior first and then we'll clean. Yeah. And that's that for the trunk panels. In case you're wondering what this stuff is, this is actually soundproofing. I did it for one, the fuel pumps, and two, the drone that happens when you're on the highway. I really recommend it. I'll even throw the link of the material I used. It does work, I can tell you that much. And 4 bolts for you. There we go. Now for my trunk panels that I made out of this 1/4 inch, I think it's pressed wood, I forgot what it's called. Go ahead and start with the vacuum, eh? Bro. Oh no. It needs more power. More power. It's a hot one out. Whew. God, look at all this spaghetti. And this is after I did some wire management. God, when I got this car, this was a mess. Jeez. Now I got 2 more things here. I think one's a heater that goes to the door. And then there's like this cover that goes here, and that piece. The damn pillar keeps falling. I had the same problem on that side. Let me try and spread these clips a little wider and get them to pop in there. Anybody ever made a ghetto band-aid before? I destroyed my finger getting out a splinter, so took some electrical tape, yeah? Good stuff. Here's one I just pulled out. Here's when I tried to widen. Snapped in a lot better than it did, but the middle one doesn't want to snap. Well, she works. So I was cleaning out the back with the leather cleaner to find this massive bolt just sitting there on the floor. Come to find out, it's for my seatbelt buckle, and it's not even in. It goes right there, and that's where the giant bolt goes. But like, as I'm pulling this chair out, I see this nest. Like, what is this? Is something living under my seat? So confused. What? There's no way. It's been garage kept for years. It has to be like 10 years old. Like, look how freaking big this thing is. Jeez. He was going for some rides for a while, whatever it was. You know how it goes. Safety first, baby. Safety first. And we're done, ladies and gents. Look at that. Finally, this is probably the most together I've had the car I took it for a spin just now. Oh, good times, good times. That panel's not going to go back on just because the ECU was put there, but I think it's cool. Well, let's get the stuff to wash the outside. Baby's first bath of 2020. So here's something kind of wild. When I was doing the idle tuning the other day, when it was running super rich, I did it for like an hour and a half just sitting and idling. Well, all those fumes just piled up and they're stuck on the bumper. You can see the marks right here. You can see them better on this side. I wiped already on right here, but oh my god, I have to scrub and scrub to get that off. It was actually like speckled up here too, which is really weird. But another couple minutes of scrubbing in the back. Always make sure to open your latch when you wash it because there's so much water that comes trailing down when you open it up and just drips down the side. See all this crap right here? I always do this, get an air hose, brush or blow into these lights because water just sits in there. So those are the dangerous cracks because it's stuck up top. Also right here, you can see the past owner. This isn't me. I wash them and blow it out every time from right here. But always blow those out too. And wash underneath this too, because this always gets wet. So continuing the wash from yesterday, all I have left to do is polish it and then polish the wheels a little bit. So I'm going to use this. It's nice and decent stuff, but Turtle Wax Express Shine. Not bad, at least for spray on wax and hand polishing. Last thing, put a quick layer of some aluminum polish on the wheels and we should be good just to get those brush marks off. I think that's pretty good. Not too bad. You see a little black trail of residue coming out. Give you guys a before, kind of a little shadowy, cloudy spot right there. So here's the before, and here's the after. It's actually not bad. I think it did a pretty good job. I'm Dylon Da Silva. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all new content every week. You guys have a good one.